Hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to learn how to open a website when system gets started. So I have a Python code written over here. So let's check this first. So first thing we need to import web browser module. And this module we are going to use to open a website. And then the first step is we need to register our browser using register method. And this need three informations. One is the name you can give anything, so I have given my Chrome. Second is the constructor. For me, I'm not passing any additional information, so just give it as none. And third is the instance. So for that I have passed Chrome instance over here. If you are looking for or just wanted to automate in any other browser details, all those details you'll get from this Python document. So now, once it has been registered, then we need to get that instance using get method. Once we get the browser instance, we can use that to open any URL, whatever we want. So first I'm going to open art and culture website from Google, and second is Google News. After that, here I have written a extra piece of logic, which is just say like I wanted to open Amazon.in only if it is Sunday. For that I have just fetched the weekday, and big day start from Monday, which is 0. So Sunday will be 6. So if it is Sunday, then only it should open Amazon.in. Today it is Monday, so it should not open this browser. Let's close this. Now we are going to run this code. So in order to run this, we have to go to the command prompt, and from there I'm going to get the full path. So press shift, then right click, and get one option like copy as path. This information I'm going to use over here. Just enter. So now you can see it opened Google Art and Culture and Google News automatically. Now, in order to open this browser automatically when system will get started, we have to create a bat file. Let's open this bat file. The command over here for the bat file is same what we have given to the command prompt. This is the same line. Alright, now just make sure like the extension of this file is .bat. Alright, after that we need to open this folder locations, which will be users, username, then app data. Maybe you might not see the app data, so for that what you have to do is click on view and then click hidden items. So once you have selected the hidden items, then you can see app data folder, and inside that go to the roamings, then Microsoft Windows start menu, program, and startup. So we have to keep that bat file inside startup folder. All right, so let's see that over here. I open this folder over here. Now I'm just going to copy this and put it into a startup folder, and this is done. Now the next time when you will log into your system, then these two browser will these two website will get open in the browser. All right. Thank you for watching.